Once upon a time, in Cappadocia,
land of fairy chimneys,
we stayed in the caves,
beneath the hoodoos,
deep in Gorem's clay. Here, jinns,
fairies,
legends live. Grand Vizier Ibrahim Pasha
built from Cappadocian clay his new city,
Nevşehir.
Once, beautiful Mashin transformed herself into a pigeon.
And from the heights of Castle Ushisa did soar
To be in the warm arms of her lover.
Once upon a time, Emperor Constantius cried out, "Mount Argus, father of fleet horses, yield up your unrivaled stallions so that I can build my kingdom."
In the Surat al-Minun,
It says man, he did create from a quintessence of clay.
and in the earth's womb a civilization was born.
Cradled in clay.
Once upon a time, under the ground we hid for 1,000 years.
From wars that burned in the desert sun.
Beneath,
Below,
history's labyrinth, a hollow earth.
from before the flood. Once upon a time, all this took place in Cappadocia.